So what we got here is a portable green screen that I had bought. We got the fabric from Joann Fabrics. It was $20.40 for this lycra. It's a lime green lycra. It's kind of got a shiny to it. I don't have it permanently or even securely affixed to the poles yet. This was just to do a test. The PVC, we bought 3 sticks of the 5-foot sections. We bought 2 sticks of 2 feet length. We bought 4 90-degree corners. We also bought 2 tees, and that's all that it took to make the stand. Let's see if we can show it to you. See, that's part of it down here. You see the tee there, and then there's the still can't see it around my desk. There's the end. That's what's holding the green screen up. So now I'm gonna add a different background, a space background. Right now I'm messing with lighting. This is just a test run, and the how-to video is real simple, real cheap. What, 60? We'll call it $62 and some change, maybe for tax, to build this green screen. Now, as you can see, there's creases in it. It's going to have to be washed, and then, like I said, it's lycra, so we'll stretch it out a little bit and make it a little more secure. It won't be flapping in the wind like you can see it. So let's switch and take me to outer space. There you go. We're now in outer space, playing with the green screen. As you can see, the background is flapping away. That's because of the fans that I got in here to help keep me cool. So that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. As far as getting the space background on there, that's another video. There's another guy that did it. It depends on the program you're using. I'm using Pinnacle Studio 21 Ultimate Edition, and so you're not necessarily going to be the same. Anyways, that's it for now. Subscribe down below. Hit the button and subscribe. It don't cost you anything, and it helps me helps support the channel. Thank you, and have a good day.